Hey there, ice cream enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest scoop on all things kitchen related. Today, we're diving into the world of homemade frozen treats with the Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker. Let's see if this gadget really lives up to its hype. First off, let's talk design. The Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker brings the charm of an ice cream parlor right into your kitchen. With its sleek, modern look and thoughtful features, it's sure to be a hit at your next family gathering. From the trio of topping containers to the fold-away cone holder, this machine has all the bells and whistles. Assembly is fairly straightforward, although I did encounter a small hiccup with the dispensing arm. It's important to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any spills. Once everything is set up, you'll need to freeze the bowl for 24 hours before churning. Patience is key here, folks. Now, let's talk performance. The Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker whips up a batch of creamy goodness in just 20 minutes. Whether you're craving classic vanilla or adventurous sorbet, this machine has you covered. However, I did notice a few drawbacks. The sorbet took longer to freeze and tended to drip more from the spout, which can be a bit messy. Adding toppings is where things get a little tricky. The toppings chute is positioned behind the spout, making it difficult to see where you're aiming. Plus, the toppings tend to bounce out at high speed, leaving a sprinkle-covered countertop in their wake. It's a fun feature, but it could use some fine-tuning. In conclusion, the Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker is a fun addition to any kitchen, especially if you love hosting ice cream parties. While it has its quirks, like any appliance, its ability to turn homemade treats into a memorable experience is undeniable. So, if you're in the market for a new ice cream maker and don't mind splurging a bit, give this one a try. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, stay cool.